A free open source alternative to CapCut. Yeah, guys, that's right. Totally free, running locally on your laptop. So let me just directly take you to it. So this is called as OpenCut, and this is a GitHub project. So let me just show you. So yeah, guys. So this is a GitHub project. If you just scroll down, you can see OpenCut, a free open source video editor. It even has the MIT license. Here are some of its features. You can in future you can also इसको use कर सकते हो along with AI agents. You can connect it. You can use MCP. There's a lot to it, but currently it's in the beta stage, and तुम लोग like it's pretty basic right now. But let me just show you what it looks like and how you can do it. How you can host it if you want to do. So, guys, without wasting any time, my name is Aman Jain. This is your presenter for the day, and our goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers in the next 35 days. So, do subscribe if you like the content. Comment if you have any feedback. I read all of them. So, without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So, guys, yeah. So, CapCut, it was a very good software. It still is a very good software, and I'm going to show you how I use it currently for free. It's a different, like cracked version, but I'll just show you along with it. And then OpenCut. So as you can see, this is a open source video editor. It's currently in the beta version. And it has 40,000 GitHub stars. So that is it about it. So coming on to how to install this. Yeah. So coming on how to install this, guys. First of all, you can uh, for I'll give you all these documents. You just have to copy this whole thing, and let's say that you have a folder in your laptop, and let's just say you make an empty folder. I've already made it open cut, and then either aake you'll just have to open in terminal, and then if you just paste this and press enter, like full copying whopping sab ho jayega, so you don't have to worry about it. Now coming on, as soon as you have copied, one more thing that you need to keep in mind is you must have your Docker desktop downloaded. So I'll even leave the link to it below. Go here, download Docker desktop for whatever operating system you currently have, and also WSL. So I'm not going utna deep bhi nahi ja raha kyunki you can figure it out all with Chat GPT. Just go there, put कि मेरे को ये download करना है and configure करना है. It will give everything. So that is it. So how do I launch it? You just have to do the same thing. Go here inside the file, open in terminal. As soon as खुल जाएगा PowerShell में, come here, copy this, and then yeah, come here, copy this, paste this here. So guys, I'm not okay, and I'm just quickly going to show you my CapCut video editor that I currently have. Here are some of the videos I edited, like probably a lot, and here is one of my recent videos. And as you can see, बहुत मेहनत कर रहा हूँ. So I hope you guys appreciate it. I guess some of it was deleted. So you can see that pretty long video. I've covered everything about the AI tools. How to use it. I've even give you tips and tricks. I've even talked about Hermes agent, everything. And open source community, guys, is the best, and that is why. So this is one of the CapCut apps I use. The only issue is they Chinese mein hai, and it's probably hard to understand, and it lags in your laptop. So ye thoda issue hai. That is why I don't matlab it's on you. If you want कि मैं explain करूँ, then do let me know. I'll make a separate video on it. So now coming on to the open cut. So okay, as you can see यहाँ पे हो गया. Control and click करूँगा तो यहाँ पे open हो जाएगा. Okay guys, so the screen is back. So अभी I'll just explain you. तो इसका इंटरफेस ऐसा दिखेगा. एंड ओके, इसका इंटरफेस ऐसा दिखेगा. एंड आई एम प्रीटी श्योर अभी तुम लोग को दिख नहीं रहा, बट दिस इज करेंटली रनिंग ऑन लोकल होस्ट 3000. एंड देन ट्राई अर्ली बेटा को तुम लोग दबाना. वन थिंग दैट यू शुड कंसिडर, आई इवन शो यू. तुम लोग देख रहे हो हर टाइम मैं बटन प्रेस कर रहा हूँ कोई भी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल. ओके, इट्स टेकिंग अ बिट ऑफ टाइम. सो या, सो यू कैन सी दैट व्हेनेवर आई एम प्रेसिंग समथिंग फुल एकदम सब पर्पल हो रहा है. तो ये सेटिंग को हटाने के लिए बस नीचे आके इसको डिसेबल कर दो. दिस इज एन अननेसेसरी फीचर आई बिलीव. So welcome to OpenCut beta. Okay, lot of features are still missing. We are working. If you're curious. Okay, so this is where it all started. Video of free open source video editor. Check out the first tweet. And then essential functionality, storage, effects, transitions. ये सब in progress है. Core UI complete हो चुका है इन लोग का. So obviously it's still in the beginning stages. So open source, open cut alternative. 1 second. Okay. Okay. So guys, as you can see, अभी तक उसी okay. So this is all about this. So let me just go inside my files and पिछले ही वीडियो का let's say 4 वीडियो अपलोड कर लेता हूँ. ओके सो अपलोड हो गया. सो गाइस मैं टाइमलाइन में ले आता हूँ. सो okay, yeah, I don't know if you can tell it, but obviously it's a little slow. I mean, I don't recommend it much, but let me just go in here. ChatGPT for every single. Okay. सो गाइस साउंड इफेक्ट्स में तुम लोग देख सकते हो अभी तक कुछ इन लोग ने लोड किया नहीं है. एंड देन आई वुड रिकमेंड कि अगर ये लोग एक लाइक डेस्कटॉप ऐप रिलीज करें तो दैट वुड बी मच बेटर बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल दे फाइंड इट डिफिकल्ट टू यूज अ डेस्कटॉप ऐप वुड बी मच बेटर. ओके सो अभी टेक्स्ट तुम लोग डाल सकते हो बेसिक सा. लेट्स से मैं इधर डालता हूँ. ओके 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 ओके. अमन. आई डोंट नो इफ यू guys can see it, but डिफॉल्ट टेक्स्ट को भी मैं चेंज नहीं कर पा रहा हूँ इवन इफ आई टाइप अमन जैन. सो डिफॉल्ट टेक्स्ट इज ऑल्सो नॉट वर्किंग. लेट्स से स्टिकर्स में जाते हैं. नो स्टिकर्स फाउंड. एवरीथिंग शुड हैव बीन. इफेक्ट्स में ब्लर इफेक्ट भी मैंने पहले ही ट्राई किया था. इट्स नॉट वर्किंग एंड देयर इज एन इशू हियर. So transitions coming soon. Captions. I tried it. It does make captions, but I cannot see the text, so I don't see the use. Adjustment view is coming soon. Settings view is coming soon. So guys, this is an initiative by the open source community, and like open source community is seriously the best. The amount of tools they're releasing, homies, agent, OpenFlow, I mean, but this definitely needs a lot of work. So this is how it works, a summary, and तुम लोग देख सकते हो ये. And let me just show you. Okay. देख सकते हो मेरा GPU. So one more thing is my laptop is on the lower end side of gaming laptop, so it definitely doesn't work well. For all these video editing tasks, I thought gaming laptops are the best, but guys, मतलब तुम लोग को हमेशा MacBooks के लिए जाना चाहिए. So if you subscribe to this channel, potentially we can buy a MacBook via this. Never mind. So this is all the summary you want. I had to tell. And then one more thing. The final thing is, if your laptop can handle it, well, mine can't. Then guys, this is definitely the goat. Considering even the free wala bhi, paid wala bhi, this is the goat. I mean, DaVinci Resolve के अलावा I don't know any good software editor. It's just that कि मेरे operating system पे भी चलता नहीं है. I mean, मेरे लैपटॉप अभी हैंडल नहीं कर पा रहा है. So that is the only reason. So the final verdict, DaVinci Resolve is the goat. OpenCut is in the initial stages, so definitely it will take time. Once it does, we'll make one more video. And that is it about this video, about OpenCut and everything. So I'll have all these links in the description. Do check it out. And if you have any feedback, tell me in the comments. Till then, this is Aman Jay and bye bye.